Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine at your places. Children, today in our maths class, we are going to do some of the worksheets related to how many times. Children, as we have done our chapter how many times, today we are going to learn some more tricks how to solve questions in how many times. So children, let's start with our chapter. Children, first of all, you should know what is the trick. Like 1 times 1 is basically what we do. Yes, 1 times 1 means 1 into 1. Means we are going to do that times of 1 is 1, that will gives you 1. Now 3 times 1 means what number we are writing here, that we will write in first, and that we are going to multiply with the other number with what number is writing on the second. So if we are doing with the 3 times 1 is means 3 into 1 means 3 times is 3 and into 1 means 1 is second what we are going to multiply with. So 3 times 1, 3 into 1, that will gives you 3. Now 4 times 1 is means 4 times 1 is so 3 times 1, that is 3 into 1, that will gives you 3. Like same with 4 times 1 is 4 into 1, that will gives you 4. So 4 into 1, that will gives you 4. Now 5 times 1 means what is written second place, that will multiply with that, and what is written in front, that will write here. Okay, so 5 into 1, that will gives you 5. Now 6 times 1 is 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. Okay, now come to next. Fill in the blanks with appropriate answer. So children, if we see in this how many times, somewhere we are going to do plus, somewhere we are going to do divide, and somewhere we are going to do multiply. So if we divide with 36, divide by 6, what will gives? What will gives? 6 in table of 6, when 36 will come? 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Okay. So 6 is your answer. So what you will write here? You will write here 6. Understood? Now if we see 45 divided by 9 means 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 fives are 45. So what will come here? 9 fives are 45. So 5 is your answer. Okay, now 28 divided by 4, that will give you 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28. Same with you will do this. Now what we can add in 63, that will gives you 21. So what you can do? You can do yes, here it is plus sign. Yes. So what we can do if we want to find out this, we can do 63 minus 21. Okay. that will gives you 42. Means if we add what in that, that will gives you 21. So if we take this 63 here, that will gives you minus sign, or 21 if you are taking here. So what we can plus, that will gives you 21. So what you can do, 63 minus 21, okay, that will gives you 2 and 4. So this is not plus sign, this is your divide sign only, okay. So what you can do here, this is your divide. What we can divide with 63, that will gives you 21. So you can see 3 is multiplication of this odd number. So if we divide with 3, let's check with 3 first. So 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Means if we multiply 21 by 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 63. So if we divide 63 by 3, that will gives you 21. So we will write here 3. Understood? Now 48 divided by 8, what will gives you? Now 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 36, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48. If we divided 8 by 48, that will gives you 6. Okay. Now 56 divided by 7, that will gives you 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 27, 7 4 is yes, very good, 32, 7 5 is 7 4 is 28 or 42? Yes. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. So your answer should be A. Now 244 divided by what? That will gives you 122. So let's check with that. How we can check? 244 means 4 is your even number. If we divide by 2, that will gives you 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So this means if we divide by 122, that will gives you 2. So you will write, if 244 divided by 2, that will gives you 122. Okay. Now come to next. 66 divided by 2, that will gives you, yes, that will gives you, yes, 33. Very good. What we can divide it 55 with? That will gives you 5. So we can divide with that. 11 table, you know, I know very well. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 60. So 11 5s are 55. Okay. Now come to next. 81 divided by what? That will gives you 9. It means 9. Yes, 9 9s are, you can divide with that 9. 9 9s are 81. So this means 9 9s are 81. Okay. Now come to next. 90 divided by 9, what will gives you? That will gives you 10. Okay, now 448 divided by what? That will give you 112. It means if we divide by 2 means 2, or you can get, if we dividing by 2, that will give you 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 3 is not a multiple, or we can less with that. What we can divide? 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4. So your multiple should be 4. You have to check with that. Okay. So 448 divided by 4, that will give you 112. Now what number should be written here? That will be divided by 5, and that will give you 7. So what is the multiplication of 5 sevens are? 5 sevens are is 35. 5 sevens are 35. So this means 35 you will write here. If we divide 5 by 35, that will give you 7. So this means 35 divided by 5, that is equals to 7. Now come to next. 777 divided by what? That will give you 7. That will give you 7. So children, it means 111, I think. Yes. What you can do? We have done previous also 55 with that. Now 101 means same table with that. It means sorry, 111 means if we multiply or divide with that with 7, 777. So what number is divided by what? That will give you 7. It means if we 777 divided by 111, that will give you 7. Understood? Now 120 divided by 6, that will give you can check. Yes, very good. 6 2s are 12 and 0. So 20 jar, that will give you 120. Okay, now come to this question. 2 into 5 is 2 times 5 or 5 plus 5 means 2 is written first and times, that is 5. So if we adding 2 times, this we have done. So this is your homework. You will do on your own. One I will tell you, rest you will do on your own. Okay. This is done for you. Now come to next example. 4 into 18 means 4 times 18. If we write here or 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18, that will give you same. Or 4 times 18 mean if we multiply 4 multiply by 18, that will give you same. Okay, 72. And if we are going to add 18 4 times, that will also gives you same. Now let's check at once. One example I will tell you, rest you will do on your own. 8 and 8 16. Okay, 16 and 16 32. 3 4 5 6 7. So this is your 72. If you are adding, that will also gives you same answer. If you are multiplying with that, that will also gives you same answer. Only the thing is that you have written what they told, like 4 times 18 means 4 is your first digit and 18 is your second digit. That will give you correct answer. If you did mistake with that, 4 times 18 means if you are doing 18 in one place and 4 in second place, that will not give you right answer. Now rest of the part, these two parts you will do on your own. Okay, this is your homework. So this you all have to do what previous questions I told you, division portion, multiplication portion, ones times, and these questions you will do in your maths fair notebook as your practice. Now come to next. 9 plus 9 means they only are want to know that if they are given you in plus form and they want in multiplication form, then how you will do. Your answer should be same. So if they have written 8 plus 8 plus 8, so it means 8 is written 3 times. 8 is written 3 times. So what you will write here? 3 into 8. So 3 8 ja, yes, 24. And if you are adding 8 3 times, that will also gives you 24. Okay. Now rest of the questions you will do on your own. Understood? Only this part I am telling you once. This I have done. Same. Now this part also I am telling you. This part and this part is same. Now 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means they have written 5 times, means what time they are multiplying or adding, that they have written. So 5 into 3 means 5 3s are 15. And if you are adding 3 5 times plus, that will also gives you same. If you are adding with this, that will also gives you 15. And if you are multiplying 5 into 3, that will gives you 50. Understood? So I hope you understood with that, and do practice properly in your notebook. So thank you children, and bye.